sun shines bright, it lights the way. The moon glows softly at the end of day. Who made the stars so high above? It's Allah's power, it's Allah's love. Allah is great, Allah is kind. His signs are everywhere for us to find. Allah is great, Allah is true. In everything we see, in me and you. The rivers flow, the flowers bloom. The clouds bring rain, the earth makes room. Who paints the sky with colors so wide? It's Allah's beauty, it's Allah's guide. Allah is great, Allah is kind. His signs are everywhere for us to find. Allah is great, Allah is true. In everything we see, in me and you. He hears our prayers, both big and small. He's always near, He loves us all. When we say Bismillah before